My name is Carol Hodson, Managing Director of ALCA Fasteners Limited. ALCA Fasteners have been at the forefront of the European and global fastener industry since our foundation in 1977. We have been suppliers to the oil and gas industries throughout Scandinavia and the UK during that period. We have continued with our improvement programme to meet the required demands of our clients, always concentrating on quality, service and reliability, covering any new procedures that have been implemented by the industry. Over the last 5 years, we have improved all of our in-house procedures and traceability and are in the process of installing a new manufacturing scanning procedure to give a real-time progress system, allowing all necessary personnel to have up-to-date information on all orders. We have taken full control of many different processes by investing in new machinery and personnel. ALCA Fasteners are in a position to supply the demanding and fast-moving fastener market with all grades of high-integrity materials in all head formations. We carry over 2,000 tonnes of either finished, semi-finished blank stocks in hexagon, sockets and countersunk, along with studding and bar. 95% of our stock is certified to EN 10204 3.1. We are also fully experienced in 3.2 independent certification to DNV and Lloyd's requirements. ALCA are conscious of moving towards supplying predominantly European steel. Supplementing our vast stocks, we are continually investing on improving our CNC section and MEMEX centre. We have recently commissioned our new TRT 75 thread rolling machine, giving us in-house facilities to thread roll up to M100 and 4-inch diameter.
Hello, my name is Dave Smith, Warehouse Manager. All of our materials are thoroughly checked using our extensive testing facilities. All our employees take great pride in the production of all orders at every stage of every order. We keep an extensive range of finished, semi-finished and bar in stock, which is available for immediate release for collection or delivery.
This is a bench unit. It's used for MPI, magnetic particle inspection. It's used for looking for indications of faults in material. It works by passing a current through the material, which then sets up a magnetic field. It's sprayed with a solution containing magnetic particles, and under ultraviolet light it shows up any indications in the material.
ALCA will continue to strive to give the best possible quality and service to all of our customers.